Hi there, you're watching Travel Tart TV and I'm doing a quick review of the Overboard 20 litre Drypack slash backpack. It's actually two things in one, so it's a dry pack and it's a backpack as well. So let's see how this works. Okay, so the way that works is that it's all waterproof and it also floats. So what happens is you just chuck your stuff in there and you roll it up and it creates an airtight seal, so all the air stays inside. Just click it together, seal it up, and it's ready to go. So what happens if you're just doing canoeing or you're rowing or whatever and it goes overboard, it'll float. So let's see if this works. Okay. As you can see, it's floating no problem at all. Even if you try and sink it, it comes back up because it's completely airtight. I'm happy. It says what it says it does, so give it a go. I'm actually going to take it backpacking and put my electronic gear in it. So hopefully it comes back someday.